Alright. As you can see, my latest experiment will do it. And once it do, it'll shred Mickey until I destroy the rest of the Disney Night skunks. You always judge a book on its cover. Guess what, Thunderclap? I am a judge! And you remind me one of those weasels. Smarty, greasy, wheezy, stupid, and psycho. What happened to your weasels? They're dead. Consumed by Eddie Valiant. I'll find this guy if it takes me 1,000,000 years of reincarnations. Oh, really? And after that, I'm going to take care of this dark-winged duck. You mean Perry the Platypus. Whatever. I'm going to destroy him, re-cartoon him, and do it again all over. In a real, instructive way. Oh, just remember, this dip machine is worth my power. Alright, this is it, guys. This dip machine we see there will be his finishing. Once we put him in there, he'll be shredded to pieces. Okay, but we gotta keep it down. This alley's no big enough. Don't worry, Stitch and I will slash and bit him. I'll use my hook to stab his eye. Good luck with that. And I'll just scare him any way I can. Yeah, what about me? You be the bait. Why? He said he wants Darkwing, so there you go. I'm not Darkwing Duck. There's been a big, iconic mistake. Who cares? Just do your act. We'll be right behind you. Thanks, Mickey. You're a great leader. Alright, Your Highness. Time to get... Hey, Big Bird! Huh? Come and get me, Adrian Toomes. Oh, yeah? Bring it on, Natasha, if you are one. Okay, first off, Natasha's a girl's name, so... Come and get this beaver tail. Oh, you asked for it. Wait, it's a trap. I can sense it. Ah! Man, I'm gonna kick your toon acid. Ooh, that's a bad way to pronounce it. Okay, help! Help! Uh-oh, he needs our help. Quick! Time for Operation Aloha. Right behind you, Maui. This time, I'm going to tear you apart, one way or another. Oh no, you don't. Ah! Get off me, you little mogwai! Don't you hear me, you little gremlin? Stitch! I'm alright. Oh, look what you did. You bit me. Serves you right. What are you doing? Stabbing you. Just right. You think you can